Hi everyone, I'm Henry M, and I'm a 12-year-old student attending Novi Middle School. And my Unity essay is called, Unity is Our Superpower. 18 years ago, a great civil rights leader brought forth on this country a new, nonviolent civil rights movement, conceived in liberty, social justice, opportunity, unity, and dedicated to the creeds that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident and that all men are created equal. These exact words were said by Dr. King, a person who was an advocate, an activist, a leader, and most importantly, a unifier. From overflowing patients to a lack of PPEs, from ventilator shortages to a rampant disease. This is just one example of the distortion and despair in our current world. People have been turning their backs on each other and are becoming selfish rather than selfless. These actions do not preserve Dr. King's legacy. They wreak havoc and dishonor it. The world deserves better. The people of the world deserve better. Unfavorable attitudes must change for the good of all people. We can't overcome global problems if everyone in the world is bickering with one another. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Those are the powerful words said by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. So, unity inspires us to be better. Unity will help our citizenry in numerous ways. People will change. Friendships will start. Hatred will end. Diversity will spread. Some people will not walk into the world frightened as a skittish cat because a cruel word said to them due to their race, gender, beliefs, or disabilities. If we have been given one superpower, one talent, one hope in life, it is the power of unity. We hear their moans and their sober cry. Now alas, my friends, we must unify. What is unity? Unity is a superpower that is within all of us, and it is how we can create the most peaceful and prosperous world. And this is a design I made that promotes unity, and it includes words such as unity, peace, liberty, social justice, and community. And then this is the entire copy of my Unity is Our Superpower speech. And this was last year's Unity in the Community event. And thank you for listening to my essay. And I would just like to take a moment to thank a few people that are here with us today. I would like to thank my teachers, Mrs. Canayas, Miss Khalil, and Miss Hickey for being here, and thank you for encouraging me and teaching me. And thank you to my principal, Principal Baker, for his support and administrating the Novi Middle School. Thank you.
Wow, Henry, that was more than just an essay. I'm trying to keep my video closed where I wipe tears because, when I hear from children, it just really touches me, and that's what unity is all about. Sometimes adults make it so complicated, and the children, if we can just listen and hear our children, maybe we can get a little bit farther than we are each and every day. So thank you, Henry. A very wonderful presentations, and be encouraged.
Yeah, and we really need to promote unity among our younger generation.
for sure, and you're on the right path to doing that. Thank you so much. All right, next on our program.